We'll guide you through how to tag people in email Outlook. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to improve communication and make sure specific recipients notice important messages. Tagging someone using the @ symbol in Outlook highlights their name and can trigger notifications. Users often need this feature for teamwork, professional emails, and clearer collaboration within busy inbox conversations. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. In the login screen, type your Outlook email address in the provided field to log in to Microsoft Outlook. Make sure the email address is correct to avoid any access issues. After entering your email address, click Continue to proceed with the login process. Once you are successfully signed in, go to the Mail section to access your inbox and email tools. From there, click New Mail to create a new message. A compose window will appear on your screen, allowing you to start writing your email. In the field, enter the recipient's email address so the message will be sent to the correct person. After adding the recipient, move to the subject line and type the email subject, for example, how to tag people in email Outlook. Next, click inside the email body area to begin writing your content. Type your message, for example, tag people in email Outlook, as the main content of your email. When you are ready to tag someone in the email, type the @ symbol on your keyboard directly within the body of the message. Immediately after typing the @ symbol, start typing the name of the person you want to tag. As you type, Outlook will automatically display a suggestion list of matching contacts from your address book. Carefully review the suggestions and select the correct contact from the suggestion list that appears. Once selected, notice that the person's name will be highlighted automatically in the email body, indicating that they have been successfully tagged. After tagging the person and completing your content, review your email carefully to make sure all information is accurate and properly formatted. Check the recipient, subject line, tag name, and message content before sending. When everything looks correct and complete, click Send to deliver the message to the intended recipient.